What's up, everybody? This is just my new PA I got from my car. Just an addition to my car. So when I train horn people, I can yell at them as well. Hope you like. You recording, right? Yeah. How we doing today, sir? I'm sorry about that, sir. Finger slip. Have a good day. Have a good day, sir. What's up, man?
What up?
What up?
What are you guys up to?
Just filming a video, man.
Fuck yeah.
Got a train horn on there, man.
We're smoking fucking weed.
We're watching the golfers?
Uh-huh, yeah. Why not, man?
That's sweet, man.
Fucking A. Romp that fucking grass.
Alright, later. Easy, guys. Go. Good? Yeah, go. That was worth it. Sorry. Sorry about that. One and go. Go ahead. Yeah. Hey, do you see those bikers? Hold on. Yeah. Get these bikers. Wow. Nice. Go ahead. How you doing, man? Say I like your turban. Hey, sir. Hey, sir, how you doing? Well, are you recording? Yeah. I like your turban, man. It's really cool. I like your hair, man. I like that red hair. Really nice. How you doing today? Go. Go. Yeah, man.